Hello everybody, and a very big welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here once again, and today's recipe is going to be a really heartwarming winter meal. It's a chicken and bacon hot pot, and just right for this time of the year on these cold and frosty days. It'll warm you right up, so stay tuned and I'll show you how I make this one. As always, I'm going to show you the ingredients that we're going to be needing. We're going to make a start with some lovely fresh carrots that have been chopped up, one red onion. You can use a white onion if you want. I've got a leek, I've got some swede, all chopped up into nice little pieces. We're going to need some potatoes. Obviously we're going to need some nice fresh chicken portions. I've got 2 portions here, and some button mushrooms. A few chili flakes, not too many, you don't want it too spicy. Some soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons full, and some good old Worcestershire sauce, about 1 tablespoonful of that because it's quite powerful. Some garlic powder, you can use fresh if you want. Some mixed herbs, I like these, I'm going to use 2 teaspoonfuls. And here we have 1 pint of good quality chicken stock. And I'm going to finish off with, whoa, look at this guys, a glass of red wine. And of course some seasoning. We kick off with the chicken portions. We're going to give those a good seasoning, salt and black pepper all over the top there on the skin, flip them over, and then we're going to be doing exactly the same on the other side. Get a pan on a hob, drop a cooking oil, or you can use olive oil if you want. In we go with our chicken portions, and I'm going to put the skin side down so we get a nice brown on the skin there. Get another pan, in we go with the veggies, pop those all in. Then we're going to put our mushrooms in, our little button mushrooms. I'm going to use quite a few of those, quite flavoursome, I like those. So in they go. And of course we're going to need some back bacon. You can use bacon lardons if you've got any. I've cut these up into little strips, and I'm going to place these all over the top, nice and evenly. Then I'm going to add our Worcestershire sauce, not too much because it's quite powerful. And of course our soy sauce. A little trickle of that over the top. Then our garlic powder, about 1 teaspoon should be fine. And our chili flakes, as I said before, not too many. Then we go in with our mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon and another teaspoon. Now to check out our chicken portions. They look very nicely cooked. Got that lovely brownness on there, which is what we've been looking for. So we're going to take these eventually, once we can get hold of one. That one will do nicely, sir. And off that goes to our cooking pot. We'll put that on the top, and it can be joined by its friend. Bit more seasoning with sea salt and black pepper. And then we can add our stock. Pour this all over the top. You can use pretty much any stock you want really, but I've used a nice chicken stock. On with our glass of red wine. And remember, if you can't drink it, don't use it. We're going to nestle these in just a little bit so they get quite comfortable, and once we've done that, we can make a start with our potatoes. Now as you can see, I've sliced these up quite thin, and we're going to pop them into some water, bring them to the boil for about 3, maybe 4 minutes. We don't want to overcook them, otherwise they'll start to break up. But let them boil and then turn them off. When they've cooled down enough to handle, we're going to place them over the top of our dish, and we want to cover the whole dish, a bit like this. So As you can see, I'm just going to be popping on those last few potatoes just to cover up that gap around the edge. Then it'll be off to the oven, gas mark 6, for about 45 minutes, or until they start to get browned on the top and look really delicious, and the veggies are cooked right through too. Then you end up with it looking like this. Now that's amazing. It looks so delicious, but I'm going to tell you in a minute. I'm going to have a little taste test first. And it really is so good, guys. It's heartwarming, it's tasty, it's a proper winter food. Really excellent. Please make this for yourself, and don't forget, while you're at it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.